everybody, this is Teacher Cheska and this is day 5, morning session, module 3 of Science 7. And this is entitled Mixtures and Substances. So for today, our objective is for you to distinguish what is a mixture from a substance. Alright? So first, you have to answer what I know. This is 15 items. So just sulat lang nato sa atong yellow pad 1 to 15 and then answer directly capital letters. Okay? After doing that, basahon na din nato ang atong lesson 1 which is about mixtures and substances. So, pag mixture are materials consisting of two or more kinds of substances physically combined. So, ang example nato ani kay halo-halo, meaning sa sulod sa halo-halo na ay mga substances like na ay milk, na ay ice, dayon sago, no? And then gi-combine sila, giuban, isagol. Okay? And after doing this, let's go to what's new. So, mixtures can be distinguished from substances by looking at their physical properties. Meaning, kanina mga properties can be observed using your senses. So, what are your senses? Dumdumon. Alright. And then you answer activity number 2. So, ibutang sa yellow pad paper ang activity number 2, count me. Okay? Copy the table and fill in the required answers. So, basically, mag-check lang ta, no? So, the first 2 items here, gitagaan na mo og example. Tagaan na mo answer. So, here, salt is dissolved in water. How many phases are there? Natay salt, natay water, so natay 2 ka phase, no? What are the phases of matter? You have solid, liquid, and gas. So, salt is solid, water is liquid. Okay. Pag imo na ni silang nasagol, unsa may gawas? Pareha ba silang tanan? Ma-separate ba nimo ang tubig sa asin? So, pamakita nimo uniform throughout, homogeneous siya. So, yes, homogeneous. This is a mixture, diba? Kay gisagulan man, dili man pareho salt and salt. Salt ug si water ang ipagmix. Ang number 2 is salt lang. Ansa man ang phase sa salt? Solid. So, 1. Uniform ba ang appearance sa salt? Yes. And this is a substance. So, I think you get the idea na matingali mo yung munggo o mani sa balay. Kabalo bansad taon sa munggo o mani. Then, amoy tubig. Dapat may balas o yuta, na asukal o na kape. Katong 3-in-1. Okay. So, that's, after answering that, you read what is it. So, a mixture is a physical combination of 2 or more substances. Again, the components of a mixture can be solid, liquid, or gas. And they can be in any proportion. No? Pwede gamay ra tong isa, pwede daghan tong isa, pwede pareha ra sila kadaghan. Alright. Next, you read this all throughout. These are the different properties and characteristics of mixture. So here, sinabi nila dito na it retains its properties after combining them. So even if imong gimix ang salt ug ang water, ang salt asin yun, no? Ang tubig, tubig jud. So it can be identified. Number 2, chemical system, both homogeneous and heterogeneous. Homogeneous system, one phase is uniform in appearance. So, pag combine mo si salt ug si water, ang mahitabo, salt water, this is pure liquid. Pag sugar ug water, pure liquid yapon ang sugar water. No? Isa ra siya ka mixture. Pag heterogeneous, 2 or more observable phases. Kung sand and gravel, so ang yuta ug ang balas imong gisagol, nasagol sila pero makita gyapon nimo na ang aha didto ang balas ug aha ang yuta. Okay? So dili lugar gyud na murag gasulod murag dili lugar gyud na grabe na sagol na di na nimo ma-separate. So makita pa gyapon nimo ang difference. So naa siya, both of them of course are solid pero ma-separate nimo siya. Boiling point. Let's go to boiling point. It says here that boiling point of mixtures differs while the boiling point of substances is fixed. Pure water boils at 100 degrees Celsius, but water added with salt boils at 102 degrees Celsius. So, pag pasabot nila ani, ang pure substance, 100 degrees Celsius yun pirmi ang water, no? Kung pure water lang. Pero kung gi-combine na, kung na mixture na siya, para ani water na asin, dili na siya 100 degrees Celsius. Ma-change na, mabago na ang boiling point pag mixtures. So, galahi siya sa boiling point sa substances. Number 4, it can be separated by a physical process. So, actually, isag ang salt ug water imong gisagol, pwede gyapon na nimo ma-separate, no? So, these are some ways you can separate mixtures. Number 1, you have decantation. The particles of the mixtures are allowed to settle down and less dense particles are poured off. For example, cooking oil plus water. Cooking oil is less dense, thus it floats in the water and can be poured off. So, kung ang oil and water isagol, magmulutaw sa taas ang oil, no? So, the same thing with rice grain and water. Distillation, in dili lugar sa rice grain and water kanang pag mag-cook ta og rice, diba? Ato manahugasan ang bugas. So, matangtang nimo ang water, mabilin ra din ang rice. Okay? So, that is decantation. Distillation is another process of evaporation and condensation. So, here, distillation uses heat, no? Gagamit ta sa heat. So, for example, purifying seawater, heat is applied and water evaporates, and of course, the white crystal residue remains. So, the white crystal is more often salt, no? Alcohol in water, when heat is applied, alcohol evaporate first and water remains. So, that is distillation. Filtration is a process of separating filtrate from the residue by passing through the filter paper or strainer. So, filtrate is the liquid that passes through the filter paper and residue is the solid which remains in the filter paper. So, I think familiar sa taani. So, kanang coconut milk pulp. So, ang niyog, I think kung makadumdum ka, when mabilin ang sapal, no? Pag after nimo i-pour ang coconut milk, ang sapal mabilin dito sa strainer nimo. So, the same thing with calamansi juice and muddy water. Alright, now you continue to answer activity 3. Look at me. There's, what you will do is, you observe the table or look into the table, analyze the data on the table, and after that, you use the table as reference, no? Gamito nato ni siya as reference to answer your guide questions numbered 1 to 10. Okay. So, you can just answer directly. So, again, diri nimo tan-awon kung para ma-answer nimo dinhi ang question. So, what if the temperature of water in 4 minutes? So, tan-awon din nimo dinhi. At 4 minutes, ang tubig, unsa man ang temperature? So, ana ang answer. Okay. So, dali na, no? So, muna siya. Answer dayon. 63 degrees Celsius. Okay? So, just continue answering that. And then, proceed to activity number 5. So, here you have fill me in. You have to complete the sentences below using the words in the box. So, copy and answer so that you can complete this. Okay? Isulat sa inyong yellow pad paper. Okay. And after that, answera na din nato ang atong assessment. So, muna niya to final assessment. Number your paper again, 1 to 15. Answers only. Choose the best answer. Write the capital letters. So, that's it for the morning session of day 5 for Science 7. And good luck. Bye!